Hello friends, how are you? This is Devyani Singh. Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you beautiful balcony decorations ideas. So let's start. Traditional balconies are an extension of our homes. However, with right design and decor pieces, they can be transformed into a beautiful and functional outdoor haven. Balcony decor ideas are perfect to transform a small balcony into an inviting and stylish space. Number 1. Floral aesthetic. Incorporating floral aesthetic into your balcony decor help to add freshness and a splash of color to your space. You can go for exotic flower plant like rose, lavender, marigold, etc. Invest in quirky planters designed to add a touch of nature to make your balcony inviting. Cozy decor. Number 2. The right kind of decor help to transform your boring balcony into a comfortable and cozy haven. Option for comfortable sitting option, rugs and a coffee table set to enjoy the fresh air in style. So friend, please subscribe my channel and like my channel. See you later. Bye bye. Take care.